Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hi and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be setting up a Remix project. And to do that, we'll make use of the command npx create-remix and then the name of the project. So here, the name of the project is chat service. Press enter. And here, it asks you whether you need to install the following packages. Just go ahead and say yes or Y for yes. And it will proceed with the project creation. And over here, it is asking us to initialize a new Git repository. Just go with yes. And here, it then asks to install dependencies with npm. Press yes. And there you go. So the project has been created. So let's go ahead inside the directory called chat services. So we'll say cd chat service. Press enter. And once inside this, we can execute the dev environment using the command npm run dev. Press enter. And there you have it. The project is running now at this URL localhost :5173. You can open it up in the browser and here you can see welcome to Remix. What's next? Quick start tutorial, Remix docs, join this call. So let's go ahead and explore from where this content is coming up. Opening up the Visual Studio Code editor, here you can see the chat service directories there. Inside that we have the app and within that we have routes defined. So here under app route, you will find this file called _index.tsx, which is the default file that gets rendered when the application is launched and accessed via this URL localhost :5173. And here you'll find all the content coming up like the resources. So here we have quick start 5 minutes and then the SVG image and the path. So the SVG image is shown as icon over there. And similarly, you have the other links coming up like the Discord one over here. And you can just go ahead and change few things over here and it will be reflected as soon as you made that change. So here you can now see the Remix docs is now changed to Remix documents. So you have your default Remix application created. One thing to note over here is that the project is created using TypeScript, as you can see, and we'll be hosting it on Vercel. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.